What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to change your monitor's refresh rate in Windows 11. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. Open up your settings when clicking on this gear icon in your taskbar, or simply open up your Start menu and search for Settings. Here under System, navigate to Display, and at the bottom of this window, select Advanced Display. Here under Display Information, you can preview all of the information you need for your display. Below, you can choose a different refresh rate with this drop-down menu. In case your monitor is capable of a higher refresh rate than listed here, then make sure that you are using the correct cable to connect to your PC. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.